Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we have found a very slick way to pierce dolls' ears. Yesterday, I received a Happy Mail from Christina at the Doll House. That's D-A-L-L. And isn't this adorable? This is just a part of what she sent. But I love this little Tenney doll, and I wanted her to wear the earrings. So what we're going to do is show you how we pierce our doll's ears so that they can wear human earrings. So this is how I get my doll's ears pierced. I asked Darren to do it. We have one hole in and we're working on the other one. He's using the hand drill. I want to kind of get a closer look.
Just trying to line them up.
Making sure they're lined up right now. But this hand drill is really slick. You just drill and press, and if you ask your husband to do this for you,
you could do this.
Anyone could do it. And that's how quick it happens. We use the small drill bit so that human earrings fit in my doll's ears.
Number 64.
There you go, number 64 bit. So as it happens on so many times, on so many channels, including, and not limited to, my own, the first taping where we explained everything and had just the right shots, with me as the cameraman, was on photo, not video. I hope the second one gave you some ideas on how you could pierce your own doll's ears. It's not an expensive tool. It's a very handy tool. And if you're doing any kind of work on your dolls, it may be one worth having. You got these where? Amazon?
Amazon, of course.
Yeah, just look on Amazon for hand drills. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you, Christina at the Dollhouse, for making my little Tenney so doggone cute. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.